You might have seen that I've got a little bit of an iris patch back here. It is late fall, so they're starting to die back and bend over, and that's totally okay. I'm gonna let the leaves completely yellow before I cut them back. This is allowing the plant to store up energy, but I wanted to add more iris to this section back here. And this is struck twice, a beautiful reblooming iris. So I can't wait to add her to this collection. And I've got 3 in this pack, and they're gonna naturalize and spread throughout this area just like this other variety has done. You'll see that with the iris rhizome, I've got a little bit of leaves and the roots on the bottom, and this is the actual rhizome part. I want to make sure that this is just at the surface level, sticking out just a wee bit to make sure that it doesn't get buried too deep. So I'm going to take my iris rhizome, I'm going to put it just a little bit in the soil. You might notice I've got quite a bit of wood chips and leftover mulch here, so I'm going to take some of our living soil and add this around my rhizome, making sure that part of it is still peeking up above the surface, and pack it in nice and good. Mix that wood chips around it, rhizome slightly exposed, we're good to go.